back to my channel. Excuse that noise behind me. My cat found a box and my dog did not like the cat in there. Okay, so I just wanted to give y'all a design team project update. So as most of y'all probably know, I'm a digital design team member for Ooh La La Vintage Treasures, and I have used the Ruffles and Roses kit for this journal. I just put this journal in my Etsy shop, so I will leave y'all the link to my Etsy shop, and I'll also leave y'all the link where y'all can find this beautiful digitals that I used in here. Just giving y'all hopefully a really good look of the sides, the bottom, the front. I love it. I absolutely love it. All right, let's dive in. Got pretty prism, pink prism. All right. All right, so y'all know I always like for my opening to be really pretty. So here I've made a pocket with lace and a little piece of snippet with some pearl lace and some sequins and perfumery label. And in here I've got this really pretty lace and print tag with some pieces from the wedding gown that I found for applique. And another pretty little tag. Now this is not from her Roses, Ruffles and Roses kit. This is from another kit, but I'm gonna give y'all the link to her shop, and that way, you know, if y'all seen any of my videos, y'all have to know all of the digital kits are amazing. Just that most of this one is from the Ruffles and Roses kit. Excuse me. Okay. Some of that beautiful paper. I love it. Here I've got another tag just laying in there. Just, it's just, I love it. I know I keep saying that, I know, but I do. All of the dangles hanging off the bottom and to the side. Got this really big cluster of appliques here. Just a bunch of different kind of appliques that I have here. Rosette and flower with some beads and more beaded flowers, rhinestone. And then I've got this little pocket made out of a coffee dyed doily with the cutest little pieces tucked in here. Is that not adorable? Okay. I love that little bow with the pearl on it on top of that little millinery tag. Did I even say that right? I'm not sure. Millinery. I don't know. My voice isn't quite right, and so I'm not hearing myself like I normally do. So it sounded kind of not right. I did do 2 signatures in this, a total of 40 pages. And here's another tag. The when you see this, the pieces that I have put in the pockets and that I made the tags with, those are actually printed on HP photo paper to make them a bit, one, you know, more substantial. They're not going to tear like paper, and 2, just to make those colors pop. I see this tiny little thread of hot glue. Don't go dead on me, light. My light's blinking. But still, you know, it is placed on the back of this blank card, so plenty of room for writing if you run out of pages in here. I did leave, I think, plenty of space for writing. How pretty is that? Love it. this pretty little envelope that I got, that I received in some stuff that I ordered from another shop a while back, and I just thought that was a cute little envelope, so I wanted to use that here with that little pearlized heart. Little postcard, again, not from the Ruffles and Roses kit. This is from another kit, but how adorable. That is just pure eye candy. Here's what do I even call this? Fabric, lace, paper, embellishment, tag, snippet. I don't know, but I love it. And I love this little polka dot bow here on top. I think it's so cute. A little bit of stamping. A cup of tea warms the soul like a good friend. Is what that says. And some little bows. I don't know if y'all can see them, but they're very faint little pink bows. And over here I've got a bow with some lace dangles. And the cutest little applique flower. This little piece of pretty paper writing area. I love this fringe. Oh, I love it. Here I've made this pocket with a lace coffee dyed envelope, and I've got it embellished with actually it's a wedding veil. It's a piece of a wedding veil. It's a piece of some French lace here. It's a fussy cut stack of paper from the Ruffles and Roses kit, and then some fringe hanging off of it here. Let's see what y'all can see, just to be sure y'all got a, there we go. That's pretty good there, I think. Okay. And here I've made a tag from a receipt with another image from the kit and piece of applique and some shimmery gauze for the bow and a pretty little key. And then another just really pretty print. I love that, so pretty. Okay, and then next, let's see, how does that open? I don't remember. Okay, here we go. I was kind of stuck, couldn't figure it out. Okay, so here, this was it was a long snippet, and I actually received this in a swap that I did, but a long piece, and I thought it would just be perfect to make a belly band for this book. And these come from the Snippets of Love kit from Ooh La La Vintage Treasures, and is that not so cute? The person that made it is also on the design team, and I will leave all of the design team members' YouTube channels down in the description as well, so that y'all can go get some more inspiration. Okay, I made this little tag. Look at the polka dots on the small piece of ribbon. I love it. And here we have that on that. And you flip it open, and that pretty image. I think that's so pretty. I love it. I love it. And of course, more room to write back here. And another postcard. I think that's just adorable. And I love the way that it sticks out of the end as well, and, you know, lends to the overall look of the journal even when it's closed. Okay. And y'all look, even the back, as always. I always try to make sure that that back is beautiful as well. It's not totally done unless the back is done. To me, I want the back to be pretty as well. That way, no matter how it is facing, it's beautiful, right? Gorgeous. All right, well, that is it, and I hope that y'all enjoyed that flip through and that it gave y'all some inspiration. And real quick, y'all look at this pearlized ribbon here. It goes around. This is an antique little piece of jewelry that I had here on this sari silk bow. Got some cheesecloth, and this is another piece of antique lace. And y'all know how I do by now, but we've got just layers of lace here. More lace on top of this lace coffee dyed shell, and the piece de resistance. I don't know if it's my favorite, but absolutely one of my most favorite images, period. I love that. Anyway, thank y'all for watching, and I hope y'all enjoyed, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye.